friends, it's Elizabeth J with an S, and I have another subscription box for the Casablanca Afghan through Annie's Kit Club, and this one is the Moroccan Tile Afghan. Like I said, it's the Casablanca color. This is Kit 8. We have 10 kits or 10 subscriptions in this particular Afghan, and we're nearing the end. So I have just finished up with Kit 7, and I'll insert a picture here. Now everything is basically put together. Let me open this and then we'll get into what has been done so far. But really now it's looking like an Afghan. So here is what the whole Afghan looks like. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. And I've been working on this kit for a few months. The subscription box works in one of two ways. You can get a subscription box every 2 weeks or every month. I opted for every 2 weeks, but I had a little hitch with one of the boxes, so I was delayed a little bit. Anyway, this is Kit 8. Let me zoom in and we can talk about what's happened, what's done, what's left to do. Okay, so this is the whole Afghan, and the way the kit works is each subsequent kit will outline in purple what you will have finished. So in Kit 7, I was finishing up a few of the tiles that were left, so these outside tiles. And then you were to put them all together and then attach them to the center main tile. And so all of that is done now, as you saw in the picture. And so now it's what's left are these two areas. So this is Kit 8. Not as many pages as the previous ones. And so what we'll be doing is adding on this bit probably out to this row of, I want to say, half double crochets. And so the colors that I will be using are all here. So we've got cream, several creams. We've got, this one is aquamarine, and the last one is Mediterranean. Okay, and like I have said in the past, I have some left over from the previous kit where I used cream, aquamarine, and the Mediterranean, so I'll use that up first and then continue with this. The crochet hook that I'm using is this size I, 5.5 millimeters in this, I want to say plastic handle. They're fine. I think I got these hooks at Hobby Lobby or something like that in a whole kit, but I like them. Sometimes I find the rubber ones, I actually sweat when I'm using them. This one, not. I mean, it's stiff, so maybe for someone else they might not like it, but I do. So this is the one that I've been using the whole time. It is the hook that is recommended for this particular yarn, which is medium worsted weight yarn. And so basically, according to the instructions, I'll be doing the band around the entire Afghan and adding on this bit here that we see in the picture. Now, for those of you who have never used Annie's Kit Clubs, it's great. You just log in with your email account, and for each of these subscription boxes, they have a video. And the video is, they have a right-handed pattern video and they have a left-handed pattern video. So if you're a left-handed person, you can follow along with the left-handed demonstration. And they basically walk you through the entire bit that has to be crocheted in the particular kit. So basically what will happen is she will basically be doing the Afghan along with you, and I find the videos very, very useful myself. Sometimes, even though they've explained how to do a specific stitch, if it's one that I'm not familiar with, watching someone do it makes it very clear. And the videos are really well done. What I like to do is put it on silent and closed caption, so that way I can read along with what's happening and just see it rather than, hearing it. And that's basically it. So I'm really excited. I'm nearing the end of this Afghan, and I really like the colors. I will do this bit. I hope it doesn't take too long, and then we'll get to the remainder of the Afghan, which is this edge here. And I believe the rest of the colors that they give you is all cream, if I'm not mistaken, but we'll find out when I open those kits. Anyway, see you around again next time, when we will see how far we've gotten with the actual Afghan, and we will take a look at kit number 9.